Hello guys. Today we're going to be dealing with a problem with Google Chrome saying that a download might be dangerous and Google Chrome has blocked it. So this is a common issue and it's really easy to uh, retrieve the file after it has been blocked. So for example, I'm going to test this file, which I know will get marked as suspicious. So I'll wait for it to download, and it says that it is dangerous, so Chrome has blocked it. Usually when you click the arrow, you can press keep here, but for now, that is not the case. So if it is in the case, you can go to the top right of Google Chrome, click the three dots, and then go down to downloads. And once you've gone to that, you can click keep dangerous file and keep anyway, and you get your file. You have fixed the problem. So thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And thank you for watching.